Sutherland plants a field of corn every year just to make a path through it so you children can find your way through. Every year he plants it just a little different.
That one? I think this way. I think this way. Over here! Are we lost? Yes, we're lost!
Oh, no. Let's see what's down this way.
You made it through the maze. That's pretty cool. When you find your pumpkin, take and hold it by its sides and give it a hug. Go find your perfect pumpkin.
There you go.
Yes, it is a goat.
It starts out like this. What do you guys see? We also grow small corn. Now see the colors in these as well? What colors do you see here? What about in this one? See, it matches your coat. So different sizes as well as different colors. Everybody take a very close look. Now who in here likes popcorn? Raise your hand. It pops right on the cob. Does that look familiar? Starts like this and pops like that.
Hands together in your hand.
And grab a juice.
Hurry, Piper. Hey, little man. You want these? You want some more?
All the way up, guys.
Say one word.
Would you like to go see some pumpkins?
Yes.
You want to go on a hayride?
Yes.
I can't hear you.
Yes.
Maybe a little louder?
Yes.
Can you say pumpkin patch?
Pumpkin patch. Timmy.
Ain't the next two kids to go to the sheep. Ain't the next